Hi, I'm Corinne, Marketing Director at Framerica. I'm not the handiest girl in the world, but I'll show you how easy it is to install a stair nose. Install the flooring to the stair tread and make sure it's flush against the riser. Measure and cut to fit your stairway. Using sandpaper, roughen up the underside for best glue adhesion. Using a damp cloth, wipe down. Apply a generous bead of construction adhesive to the underside. Carefully roll your stair nose into place, pressing firmly to secure it on the step. For added safety, we recommend securing the stair nose with finishing nails.